Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about operator in polymorphism. So what is operator polymorphism? So the operator does different things depending on the situation. It means this. So let's see the plus operator. So the plus operator behaves differently based on the data type. When we use with numbers, I come here, I say integer a equals to 10, and then I define integer b equals to 5. So I define new variable integer result equals to a plus b. Alright. So let's print this using system.out.println, and then I print result. So I save it, and then I come here, I run it, you see 15 appears on the screen. The plus operator performs addition for numbers, but when we use with strings, so let's define it. I come here, I define string first equals to hello, and then I define string second equals to world. Alright, I define new string combined, for example, combined equals to first plus second. So what this plus operator does? So the same plus operator now performs string concatenation. So let's print this combined variable. I paste here, and then I copy combined and I paste here. So let's run my code. I run it, you see after 15 hello world appears. So one operator, plus operator, is doing two different things. The first one is adding numbers, and the second one joining strings. So this is a built-in example of polymorphism in Java. The meaning of the operator changes depending on the type of operands. I hope you understand it. Alright.